Our art illumination for Yerevan TV Tower is absolutely unique. It's unique every evening like sunset. It's created by algorithm which collects big data from Yerevan's life. Moreover, the main feature of this illumination is the first and the only in the world illumination when every citizen of the city can send your personal message to the world with universal language of light from your mobile phone. You just tap on your phone and you start small lighting show which you send to the sky.